Hey everyone, how's it going? You have a Eufy S1 Pro, and your vacuum is pulsing and then it turns red, or it just tried to reverse itself into the charger. It looks like it's charging, right? There's a red pulse, and then there's that wheel trying to turn back, and then it restarts itself, including the base. So again, it repeats this cycle every few seconds. So it pulses 4 times, and then either it turns red or the wheels try to reverse back into the charger. That means likely your battery is fried. So it's a little challenging to get to the battery, but before you do that, what you want to do is you want to lift this cover up. So you can actually lift this cover while it's in the base station. So pull it out. You can try to reset it by turning this off, and it should talk to you and tell you to switch it to I to turn it on. So right now it's still trying to charge. You can see it's pulsing, but it's gonna repeat the same thing. If it does repeat the same thing, you can try to toggle it back and forth to troubleshoot it, and then clean out the vacuum by first off making sure the contacts is all in there, pushing this way back and making sure that it's connecting to the charging base. If that doesn't work, what you want to do is now clean it. So you want to manually pull this out, and I'll show you the steps you can clean. And whether it's working or not, you should clean this every few months. At least check on it at minimum every 6 months, right? So I try to look at the vacuum dispenser and also the water dispenser, and just make sure everything is tight and clean back there. So this is where the vacuum collect the dust. So when you lift up the top, this cover here, which is magnetized, you want to lift it from the back here. And then this tray you can pull straight out. And just make sure there's no debris, everything is clean here. You can use a vacuum to vacuum things up. But this tray here, you want to bring it to a nearby trash bin. Open this up. It looks clean from out here, which means it's working. And either replace this filter or brush this filter out. You can see there, this is where all the dust is collected. And they do provide you with this brush. You want to clean this off by doing it on top of a trash bin, and then place it back, or just buy a new one if it's really dirty. So that's step 1. Then to place it back, again, just slide it in. Has this little tray hook thing that helps you pull it out. So I'm going to leave this out for now. So now we're going to go to the next step. And I'll show you how to access the battery in case you want to do it yourself and you're out of warranty. It's pretty easy, but it's hidden. So you want to put this on this back. If you have a rough surface floor, put a microfiber cloth or some sort of towel on the bottom to protect it. So from the bottom here, you can also take out this water dispenser too. Actually, let me do that first. So I'm going to take out the water dispenser. On the top, there's these 2 red tabs. So you want to press on each side, and it should slide right out. And this is one where you also want to clean pretty often. So on top here, you also have this tray where you have to pull this up. So they have a lever here. And you kind of want to give it a little tug. If you haven't cleaned it for a while, it might require a little force, but don't pull it on too hard. There's seal around here, and then you want to clean this water reservoir. So bring it over a sink and then rinse it out. And if you have a brush in the sink, that's also really useful. And then down here, after you clean that reservoir, you can pull this piece out. So there's a rubber grommet here. You can pull this out just like that. You can take this whole piece off. And this one, you also want to clean the red filter here. So, and then also rinse out in here. So that's how you clean the water reservoir. There's also small hooks here, and these ones you also want to pull out. So it's kind of nice that Eufy have these. You pull the cover open, and then you can clean out those valves. So those ones you don't want to fully brush in there, just run water through. So nice lukewarm water works really well. They also have one here too that you can pull out to clean. So would recommend doing that. And then I'm gonna leave this on the side too. Let's go ahead and flip this over, show you how to access the battery. And another item you want to clean is this brush head, and also these two rotary thing that always trap hair. So these ones just pop open, so you just want to grab all three and lift this up, and it just pops open like that. And then usually hair gets stuck here and around here that you want to remove. And same thing with this black side. So grab all three, pull straight up, clean. This one is also a brush head, so you want to clamp these two in, pull this cover open, and then this one side can be fully open, so you can pop this out like this. So the red side you can pop open and then pull out whatever hair is on that side, and same thing on the other side. Place that to the side, and then this whole piece down here, as well as this brush, you can take this brush off as well and then replace it. So this brush, there's a switch in there where you can replace this brush. For these screw here, it's just Phillips screwdriver. So you just want to remove these screws. Rotate left is to unscrew this. And if you're on tech support, they ask you for serial number. The serial number is actually in your Eufy app when you link it with this device. Hopefully you link it before you start using it and the battery was still working at the time. That's how you can find the Eufy serial number. So remove all these screws. So there's quite a few of them. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I already started taking some of these screws out already. So if it's the first time you're taking this out, it's a little snug in there, but once you get it loosened, it should come right out, so you don't need any impact there. You can manually unscrew these. So yeah, once you unscrew this, I'll show you where the battery is at. It's very easy to change. The difficult part is trying to find that battery. So sometimes they are out of stock. You just have to select notify for when it comes back in. And you can get this on Amazon as well in case you have any issue. So that's the last screw. And then this just lifts right up. I think I still have one more screw on this side actually. Yeah. There's still one more screw there. So once I get this open, I'll show you where the battery is at. Again, there's no serial number on the back of this device. So it's in the app if you're wondering. And once you remove, the battery is right here, right next to the brush. So it does have a grommet to seal up the battery so it doesn't get wet. And that's a pretty thin, you can see how thin it is right there. So that's the barrier between where the water is and where your battery is. And then you just pull this up with this tab. This is wire connector, just like in any RC car, remote control electric car. Just push on that tab, and then you should be able to wiggle this out. just like that. So this is the battery that you need. This is the model. Take a screenshot if you need it. T2080 65 1P. So this is a 4600 mega amp. Pretty large for a 4600. I mean, you can get a 10,000 mega amp battery half this size these days for cell phones. So I mean, this is supposed to last apparently 2.5 years, but if yours fell within a year, try to claim the warranty. But if it's past that 12 months, you gotta buy this on your own. It ranges between $60 to $90 roughly. I think I've seen it consistently at $89. Especially right now, it's hard to get these. So if you can find one, definitely purchase it right away. Hopefully this video helped you in how to clean your Eufy S1, S1 Pro, and how to swap out the battery. Catch y'all next time.